In this video, we'll guide you through creating a dynamic FMEA dashboard in Power BI. You'll learn how to integrate data, visualize risk evolutions, and track actions in real time. At the end of this demonstration, we'll compare it with the Excel dashboard. Here's how we start. Our Power BI is already connected to an Excel file with FMEA data. Now, let's bring this data into action. We start by making a bar chart to visualize our data, showing RPN, risk priority number, by operation. Next, we set up the chart. Operation goes on the axis, RPN values in the value section. This helps us see the risk levels for each operation clearly. Then, we categorize the RPN values into three groups: low, medium, and high, making it easier to identify and prioritize risks. After setting up our initial visualizations, we'll proceed to add radar charts for a detailed analysis of detection, occurrence, and severity. This dual-phase approach involves creating a radar chart for these metrics before implementing actions and another one after, allowing us to track the improvement or changes in these critical areas over time. To accomplish this, we'll explore the Power BI Visuals library to find and add the necessary radar chart visuals. After setting up our first radar chart, we'll duplicate it to create similar charts. With the risk analysis part of the dashboard created, we'll now move to the action tracking segment. We begin by creating a line chart to track the progress of actions by status, done, in progress, and overdue. Then, we'll create a donut chart to provide a global view of the statuses of actions. Next, we'll add a tree map to visualize overdue actions for RPN levels medium and high. This visual will enable us to quickly identify which areas require immediate focus based on the severity and priority of the risks associated with the overdue actions. Now that all charts are set up, we will add slicers to the dashboard, enabling us to filter the data by operation, action leader, and project. After creating the dashboard, we'll take advantage of Power BI's functionality for quick and elegant design customization. This includes adjusting colors, fonts, and layout to ensure the dashboard is not only functional but also visually appealing and intuitive for users to navigate. We'll also refine each element's design for better clarity and impact. We can replicate the design across all elements by utilizing the Format Painter functionality. And finally, we will add a timeline to our dashboard, selecting it from the chart library and configuring it to better track data over time. We've completed our Power BI dashboard, ready for testing. With its interactive features, you can easily share updates with teams and set up alerts using Power Automate. Comparing it to an Excel dashboard, Power BI stands out for its ease of use, quick setup with templates, and advanced visual capabilities without manual data work, thanks to automatic grouping. While Excel offers customized designs, achieving professional visuals requires more effort. Thank you for watching.